Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Workstair tutorial. Today, we're diving into a powerful feature called Update Future Plans, which will help you manage recurring jobs with schedule plans more efficiently by saving your time and effort. For example, we have a 6-month job scheduled from January to June, with plans set for every 20th of each month. The plans for the first 2 months have been converted into schedules and successfully completed. Let's imagine a scenario. For some reason, the schedule date in March was changed from the 20th to the 25th. In addition to that, we also need to update the remaining upcoming schedules to occur on the 25th of each month. Here, we'll use the Update Future Plans feature to adjust all upcoming schedule plans accordingly. To access the Update Future Plans, go to Schedules, and start by clicking on the last schedule, which in this case is for the month of March. Then click the More Actions button. From there, select the Update Future Plan option. Keep in mind that this option will only be available in the last schedule. After that, just click on Update. Now, you can see in the Schedule Plan tabs that all the remaining schedule plan dates are automatically adjusted to the 25th of each month. Consider another scenario. If you want to modify the frequency along with the date, simply click on Update Future Plan, then adjust the frequency accordingly. For example, let's change the frequency to every 10th of each month. After updating, you'll notice that all remaining schedule plans have been adjusted accordingly. I hope you understand the concept of Update Future Plan. Thank you for watching. If you need any additional clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.